Hello everyone, how you all? I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. You all are learning well. I'm Dr. Anshul. Welcome to my channel Explore More and Learn. Today's video can be very useful and informative for you as it's related to English pronunciation, British pronunciation. And today's topic is 8 ways to pronounce the letter A. Yes, there are various ways to pronounce the letter A. And it's important for you to know about these various ways to avoid incorrect pronunciation. I'll tell you how. If you pronounce this word, how will you pronounce it? Break. And here, this letter A is pronounced as A. A. Okay? So, this is the symbol of the sound which we get here by this letter. So, how will you pronounce it? Break. Another word, when you pronounce it, how will you pronounce it? Fast. So here we have the sound A by this letter A. Okay, so here A and here A. And when we join these words, we get another word. And how to pronounce it? Breakfast. Breakfast. When we had these two words separated, the pronunciation was different, like break, fast. But when we joined these words to have another word, the pronunciation changed. And here we have a sound, and here we have a sound, not a. So break first. Okay? So in this way, letter A can be pronounced in various ways. And to pronounce each and every word correctly, it's very important for you to know about those various ways. Alright? So let's start this video quickly. Before that, I just want to remind you, in the end of the video, please press like if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it yet, or if you are new to this channel. And press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Alright. Let's start this video quickly. So the first sound which we get by the letter A is A. And this is the first way to pronounce the letter A. For example, bat. Here letter A is pronounced as A. And this is the sound symbol which is used to write this sound. Okay? Bat, act, hand, flat. So letter A is pronounced as A in these words. So I'll tell you about the sounds and their symbols which we get by the letter A. Okay? So please notice how to pronounce the letter A in 8 various ways. Okay? Another way to pronounce the letter A is O. And this is a sound symbol which we use to write the sound which we get by the letter A. For example, all. Another example, draw. Warm. Here, this is a sound which we get by the letter A, and letter A is silent. Remember, I am following British pronunciation. Okay? Walk. So this is the sound which we get by the letter A in all these words. Okay? So you can also collect various other examples, and please write down in the comment section below. Okay? So here in walk, letter L is silent, and this is the sound which we get by the letter A. Okay? So walk. Now another sound which we get by the letter A is A. And this is a sound symbol which we use to write the sound A, which we get by the letter A. For example, art, arm, ask, cart. Here also letter R is silent. In art, arm, cart, father. So in this way, letter A is pronounced as A. Okay? Don't forget to note down these sounds and their symbols to pronounce all the words having the letter A correctly. Okay. Now the next sound which we get by the letter A is A, and this is the sound symbol for the sound A which we get by the letter A. For example, about. Here, letter A is pronounced as A. Around. Here also letter A is pronounced as A. About, around, among. Okay, so this is another way to pronounce the letter A. That is A. A. So this is a sound symbol for the sound A which we get by the letter A. So in this way, the letter A is pronounced like A. For example, shake, shake, gate, gate, cake. So it's a diphthong sound which we get by the letter A. And here you will not say it shake, it's shake, gate, cake. So just say it quickly to have this glide from the sound A to E. Okay? Say it A, shake, gate, cake. Able, able. Okay? So this is the sound which we get by the letter A, and the sound symbol is this. And this is A. The next sound which we get by the letter A is A. And this is the sound symbol which we use for the sound A. For example, many. So how to pronounce this word? Many. Here the letter A is pronounced as A, not A. Okay? So it's many, not many. Another example, any. Here also letter A is pronounced as A, not A. So remember, the sound is not A, it's A. Here which we get by the letter A. So be sure about the correct pronunciation of any word by seeing the phonetic transcription. That means by observing the sound symbols. Okay? Now the next sound which we get by the letter A is ear. And this is the sound symbol for that sound, ear. It's a diphthong sound. Here we have a glide from the sound A to A. Okay? So ear. For example, share, share. Here we have the sound ear by the letter A. And letter R and E are silent. So how to pronounce it? Share, share. Another example, care, care. Here also we have the same sound ear by the letter A. Share, care. There can be lots more examples like rare. You just collect more examples for all the sounds, okay? And you can mention them in the comment section below. Okay? As you know that there is no match between the sounds and the letters. So this sound can be represented by other letters also. But here I am taking only those words which have the letter A, which is pronounced in various ways. Okay? So I have collected all the sounds which are represented by the letter A. You got it? Another way to pronounce the letter A is O. It's a short vowel, and this is the sound symbol for the sound O. For example, what. Here letter A is pronounced as O. Another example, want. What, want. So here, this is the sound which we get by the letter A, that is O. It's a short vowel, and this is the sound symbol for the sound O. I hope you have understood well these various ways to pronounce the letter A, right? If you want to learn more about British pronunciation, or if you want to improve your English speaking, if you want to improve your English grammar, then you can join this channel as a member. For this, just press the join button below, which you will see near the subscribe button. And don't forget to subscribe this channel by pressing subscribe button below. and press the bell icon also. Very soon I'll bring another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.